Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini API Key. First, understand that an API key is a unique identifier that authenticates your requests to the Gemini models. This key is essential for accessing powerful AI features, including text generation and multimodal input. It's crucial to treat your API key with the same care as a password, as a compromised key could lead to unauthorized usage of your project's quota and unexpected charges. Keeping it secure is your top priority. Getting your Gemini API key is a straightforward process. You'll need to visit Google AI Studio, which is a free platform provided by Google. Once there, you can easily generate your API key. You'll have the option to either create a new project or associate the key with an existing Google Cloud project. After generation, it's vital to immediately copy and securely store your API key. Never leave it exposed or easily accessible to others. Once you have your API key, integrating it into your projects is key. The most secure and recommended method is to set your API key as an environment variable. The Gemini API libraries are designed to automatically detect keys stored under names like Gemini API Key or Google API Key. This practice prevents your key from being directly embedded in your code, which is a significant security risk. Remember, never hardcode your API key directly into your application's source code. To maintain robust security, never commit your API keys to source control, particularly public repositories like GitHub. This prevents unauthorized access if your code becomes public. Additionally, enhance security by restricting your API key's permissions, such as limiting its use to specific applications or a set of trusted IP addresses. Regularly monitor your API usage for any unusual activity. Also, if you're looking for durable, comfortable socks, check out Darn Tough. They offer a lifetime warranty, and you can find a link in the description along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.